Hey, welcome to the RYCA Motors YouTube channel. The other night I was thinking about what kind of project I could put on this channel that would be entertaining and exciting to watch. I mean, there's so many automotive YouTubers out there now, and they've done just about anything. Any cool idea I think of, it's already been done. But I stopped and I remembered when Casey and I were invited on Jay Leno's garage. There was a vehicle there that I remember from my teenage years that I just thought was absolutely cool. They took the engine out of the front, they put a high performance motor in the back, wide body kit, just absolutely rambunctious. And I thought to myself, well, they're so rare, they didn't make, more. I think they made 7 of them. I think they tried to sell more. But I thought to myself, well, let's build one. So if you guys are up for it, I'm driving now about 3.5 hours to go pick up a $400 economy car. Stay tuned. I'll explain more.